In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a shape in Microsoft PowerPoint using Google resources. If you've ever been puzzled about how to adjust shapes on your PowerPoint slides to create more visually appealing presentations, you're in the right place. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who just loves creating presentations, understanding how to manipulate shapes can be incredibly useful. Let's start by opening your Microsoft PowerPoint file. Make sure you have your presentation ready because this process will require you to navigate through your document. If you're unfamiliar with how to open a PowerPoint file, simply locate the file on your device. Most likely it's a .ppt or .ptext file. Double-click it, and PowerPoint should open right up. Once your PowerPoint file is open, the next step involves selecting the shape you want to rotate. On your slide, click on the shape you're interested in transforming. This is critical because selecting the right shape is your first building block in making sure the rotation is placed exactly where you envision it. When a shape is selected, you'll usually notice a border or small squares appearing around it, which signifies that it is now active and ready for you to make changes. Next, let's focus on how you'll actually rotate this shape. This involves using the rotate icon, which looks like a small circular arrow. Sometimes it's easy to overlook this icon, but it's typically located near the edge of your selected shape, often at the top center. Once you see it, you have the power to change the orientation of your shape. Simply click and hold the rotating arrow, then drag it in the direction you'd like to rotate your shape. You'll notice the shape seamlessly following the path you dictate with your mouse or trackpad, and you can adjust the angle to perfectly meet your visual requirements. Be mindful, though, to release the mouse or trackpad button once you're satisfied with the rotation angle. It's a simple move, but mastering it helps to ensure that each shape aligns perfectly with the rest of your slide design. And just like that, you're done. Rotating a shape in PowerPoint can be an effortless and intuitive process once you know where to click. This trick can add depth and variety to your presentations, making your slides not only more informative, but also more engaging visually. Thank you for joining me in this guide today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment, and happy presenting.